What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm your host, Sir, and today we're diving into that $78,000 property I talked about in the last video. So, as you can see, this community has an array of animals that live here year-round. Last year, me and my wife stayed at this Airbnb just to shoot this weird little video where she travels to Palm Springs in my fist. And after a year, I finally edited the video to prove to my wife it wasn't in vain. Here's the video.
Yeah, you just press this button and it locks. Boom, see?
So after that trip, we were like, wow, we have to own something out here. Any kind of real estate we can get started in would be great. So that's when we went and started looking. So we were actually looking at real estate in Belize, but due to the pandemic, we needed to just have something that was a little bit more close to home, where people in California that can't travel can still go out and enjoy Airbnbs that are located like 2 or 3 hours from LA and still feel like they can kind of get away. So we found like a little niche little market for that, and that became like our inspiration for this. Located 20 minutes north of Palm Springs, you can find this gated community called Sky Valley Resort. Its location is quite perfect because you are far enough to feel remote but close enough to still feel involved. Those mountains in the distance back there are Mount San Jacinto Mountains and the San Gorgonio Mountains. They look like clouds, right? But they are like the outlines of the mountains. Originally, we wanted something in Palm Springs or Joshua Tree, but this place is literally in between all the popular locations, including Coachella. A home in Palm Springs starts at 9 times the price that we bought our place for, and we are not even that far from each other. So it's a great way to lock in some cash or something that has like little equity growth but large cash flow return. And just over those little tiny little mountains, those little hills right there, that's where you can find Palm Springs. It's about a 20-minute drive from here. This home was originally listed at $81,000, but we closed at $78,000 last year Thanksgiving. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a sunroom and a laundry room and garage. Oh, it has central air and comes with a 1984 club car, golf cart. This location has been here for 40 years, but has now gotten so popular, not a single home is for sale. Okay, stop the video right there. Let's go back to this breakdown. There used to be a wall right here in the old video, and then there was another wall right after that one, and that kind of just separated and made it a dining room. So we kind of just thought that an open concept was like the best idea for this place. So just recapping with you guys, we bought this place for $78,000. The square footage on this place is 1,780 square feet, so almost 1,800 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a laundry room and a sunroom. And the open concept just really allows you to just have more people in one location. So we open these 2 walls up here, and then we open this other back wall back here by the stove so that the cook can be overlooking the guest and have the big screen across the wall. So I saw this when we came into this house the very first time, and I was like, wow, we can pull it off. For real, we can really pull this off. So that's a little backstory about it. It overlooks a lake, and the lot rent on this place is $920. So that's the catch behind these types of places, you have to buy the mobile home, manufactured home outright. Not a lot of places let you finance them. But if you don't mind buying it outright, which is what we decided to do, you also have to pay the lot rent every month, which is, in our case, like $9.29. It's like $9.50. So that's one weekend for like us sometimes with a guest. So that pays for itself. Like I said, because we do about maybe like $4,000 to $5,000 every month. So yeah, let's just get back to the video. I'll just show you some more around the house. You can just see the difference between the old video and the new video is like the new boards are being put underneath, and the old floors are being taken out. We took out all the closet doors, because if anybody's gonna be staying at this place for Airbnb, you're not gonna really have to need a closet like that. You might just need some kind of like racks. Now this is before, and this is after. Now this is before, and this is after. By the way, I mentioned this club car came with the house, but for some odd reason, I actually tried to sell it for $400 until I saw the guy on my security cameras just take off with it real fast after he acted like it didn't really start. So I just told him to please return it, and I just told him put some new batteries in it, and that's my get around golf cart right there. Take the trash out and stuff in. Make sure you keep on checking through on all the updates. I'm going to show you exactly how we put this whole place together, and it is not something you want to miss. So make sure you stay locked in, and I'll be back with more videos.